Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our CAD's copy and cut feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the program here. Now we are reaching just about our end of our CAD features. For these last ones, we're going to run through quite quickly, and it's not going to be too many practicals because they are pretty straightforward. Now what I'm going to do is, let's say I've got a shape, go 400 by 400, say okay, add it single, and there we go, we've got a rectangle. Now let's say we want to make a copy of this or maybe cut it. So instead of adding another one and deleting this one, we can simply just select this one. Then I'm going to go here to these little icons on the top right. So the first one with the two circles, that's copy, and the next one with the X over the one, that's cut. So if I had to click copy, then I can say, where do I want this, the new copy. So now I know that this thing was 400 by 400. We've got so it's about 200, so let's go on X to 20. Let's try that, see what we've got. Okay, I've got it doing it to the center of this. So let's try again, and then I'm gonna copy this. Let's go 420. Say okay, there we go, and I've got a nice little 20 spacing between our shapes. Now obviously you can do this up and down as well, so if you just use the Y, so let's go 420, then we say okay, and then I'll put it one on top. Now you can obviously put custom completely custom over here, so you can put it anywhere on the canvas relative to your center of your actual shape if you did choose it to the center. And yeah, so that's very convenient. And then the other option we have is obviously cut, so this will remove it, the original. So let's say we do the same thing, we get an X, go 420, say okay, and now it removes it and puts it over there at the new location. So this is a great way if you wanted to move a shape. So yeah, if you wanted to take this shape, move it to a new location, you always just cut it, and it kind of works very similar to moving, which is convenient. But yeah, otherwise that is it on copy and paste. So just a quick recap. So copy, you will simply choose a new location and it'll make a copy of your current selected item, and then cut will remove the selected item and place it on a new place. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.